Hello students, second exercise. First one, see here. In the figure, given three lines A, B, C, D, E, F. Here A, B, C, D, E, F. These three lines intersect at a point O. For that, find the values of x, y, z. And they given that x is to y is to z equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. See this answer. Here in this figure observe A, B, C, D, E, F. These are three lines. They given three angles X, Y, Z. So for that here observe A, O, C means O is intersect point. A, O, C is opposite B, O, D. So this is opposite angle. So we know that opposite angles are equal, means here also Z. Same like here F, O, B, like this. F, O, B. Here X. This opposite angle A, O, E. This is opposite, means here also X. Next here E, O, D. In this angle observe E, O, D equal to Y. This opposite angle, this is opposite angle. Here C, O, F. Here also Y. Understand children here? Here these two opposite angles. A, O, C opposite B, O, D. Next E, O, D. E, O, D opposite C, O, F. F, O, B or B, O, F opposite E, O, A, like that. Here form totally circle, means sum of all these angles we get 360 degrees. Here sum of all angles equal to 360 degrees, means x plus y plus z plus x plus y plus z, means like that 2 times x, 2 times y, 2 times z. See here sum of all the angles around a point is 360 degrees, means that intersect point total O, for that sum equal to 360 degrees. For that what are form here? Angle AOE plus EOD plus DOB plus BOF plus like that all angles sum we get 360 degrees. Like that angle AOE plus angle EOD plus angle DOB plus angle BOF. That figure see observe children here FOC means angle FOC plus angle COA. All angles sum equal to 360 degrees. Here form totally circle. So that is equation number 1. For that angle BOF means another angle also we get X, here Y, here Z. Means vertically opposite angles are equal. Here condition opposite angles are equal. That's why here angle AOE equal to angle BOF equal to X degrees. Here taken no opposite angle. Like next another one angle FOC opposite angle EOD equal to Y degrees. Next angle DOB opposite angle AOC equal to Z. So we got it. This one total second equation. Means from 1 and 2 equations, from 1 and 2 equations, so write means x plus y plus z plus x plus y plus z equal to 360. Here form no total angles x plus y plus z plus x plus y plus z. Means here 2 times x, x plus x, 2x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 360 degrees. Next 2 common is there, 2 take common, x plus y plus z equal to 360. for this x plus y plus z equal to 360 by 2. Here multiply is there, send that side by 2. Now x plus y plus z degrees, this one 2/18 means 180 degrees. So this is equation number 3. So given ratio, the given x is to y is to z equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. Means for the x equal to 2x they given. Sum of the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5. Here in this question they given 2 is to 3 is to 5. Sum what here 2 plus 3 plus 5. We get 10. Means for x equal to 2, y equal to 3, z equal to 5x. Like that we can take. Now x equal to here 2 by sum of the ratio into 180 degrees. Here cancellation 0 0 get cancelled, 8 into 36. X equal to 36 degrees. Next y equal to y ratio 3 by sum of the ratio 10 into 180. Here 0 0 get cancelled, 8 in 3 is 54 degrees. Next to z equal to z ratio 5 by sum of the ratio 10 into 180. Here 0 0 get cancelled, 8 in 5 is 90. So these are three angles. Here x equal to 36, y equal to 54 degrees, z equal to 90 degrees. Second question, find the value of x. The given first figure AOC is a straight line. For that here they given one of the line 93 degrees, 3x plus 18. For that here observe this is linear pair. Linear pair means sum of linear pair of angles equal to 180 degrees. Means 93 plus 3x plus 18 equal to 180. See this answer. Sum of linear pair of angles equal to 360 degrees. Sum of linear pair of angles equal to 360 degrees. Means angle AOB plus angle BOC equal to 180 degrees. AOB means 3x plus 18 plus 93. BOC means 93 degrees. Sum of two angles equal to 180 degrees. Do simplify this one. 3x plus 18 plus 93 equal to 180. 3x plus 93 plus 18 111 equal to 180. 3x equal to 180 minus 111. Do subtraction this one. 3x equal to 69. X equal to 69 by 3. We get here 3 cancellation, 23 degrees. X equal to 23 degrees is answer. Second figure, they given here one of the angle and here they given outside angle 296 up to here 29, x minus 24. Here sum of all angles around a point we get 360 degrees. Means here form totally circle. Sum of all angles equal to 360 degrees. Means angle AOC means outside angle plus COB plus BOA equal to 360. Again listen. AOC means here outside angle plus COB plus BOA total sum equal to 360 degrees. Like that here angle AOC plus angle COB plus angle BOA equal to 360 degrees. AOC means 296 plus 29 degrees plus x minus 24 equal to 360 degrees. For that add this total. Here 296 plus 29 plus x minus 24 equal to 360. For that x. Here 29 minus 24 we get 5. 296 plus 5 we get x plus 301 equal to 360. Here total and subtraction we get 301. X equal to 360 minus 301. Here degrees give, all are degrees. X equal to 360 minus 301. We get 59. 59 degrees. X equal to 59.